Hi, thank you for watching. Go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button. Have a great day. Hi, how you doing? Welcome to Get Rich Quick 5000. And I just changed the handle and username on my Twitter account. It was super easy. If you follow my Twitter account on now at GRQX5000, I have the first video I have is the first item I have is a link to the video that I used to actually change my account settings. But for a quick run through, I just went to profile, settings, privacy, and right there, that's where I changed it. And to change the profile name, I went to username, profile, and edit profile, and right there is where I changed the name. I did all of that really quickly. The video that I posted on my Twitter account goes through it in much more detail. It's only a 2-minute video, so it's not too much more detail, but that is pretty much all that you need to know. Thank you very much. Have a great day.